What's up, you guys? Martin here, and today I'm doing another mukbang. And yes, you guys, I'm doing crab again. So I have a very mixed reviewed video that I did, a crab mukbang, and I swear there's so much hate on that video. You guys know what I'm talking about if you guys watch our vlogs. And I wasn't on my game, okay? I didn't eat the crab right, which, Jesus, I swear, like, shoot me if I'm not eating it right. Well, today I decided to do another crab mukbang, and I'm gonna eat this right. Like, you guys are all hating on me and stuff. Like, calm your damn booties, okay? So I'm just doing a simple crab. That's it. No butter, no anything like that. It's just simple crab. Yum. I tell you guys, I know how to eat crab. You crack, pull, grab this part, yes, I know the extra hidden meat of the crab. Yum! You know, some of these legs are... Look at all that crap. Look at all that meat. Look at all that meat. I'm telling you guys, hating on me like I don't know how to eat crab. All this meat. Okay. No meat in the shells. That's good. Of course, I'm getting stubborn crab legs up in this mother. It's okay though. It's okay. No meat in the shell. All the meat right there. Look at this, you guys. Oh. You guys, I am so excited. Raw is almost here. Cannot wait to go see wrestling. It's gonna be exciting. I've never been to Raw. I've only been to SmackDown whenever it came to town. That was it. What I added in this boil was just Old Bay seasoning and salt. That's it. At Joe's Crab Shack, if you guys ever been there, they have like those little knives that you can go like that. Forks work just as fine. Look at all that meat. Damn. Oh shit. So good, you guys. So good. Crab is so good. I can't handle it. Look at that. Oh, look at that little crab in there. Gotta get every single piece. Just like everybody was telling me. Jesus Christ. Whoa, look at that big piece of meat. The Old Bay really went good with this. I had to put like a box right here with some things so I'm like all up like this, but this is the only good angle I could finally get. Okay. Crab. So today has been fine. Just relaxed. It was Nikki's day off, so he's been playing video games and I've been cleaning and yeah, about it. Shell. Crab, oh yeah, that'd be so good. It's a lot of work. Whenever Mama Mona eats crab, I kind of crack it for her because she can't really crack with her fibro and her arthritis. So I usually just crack them for her. She's like, dang, you crack fast. I'm like, hey, I know. Because I know what I'm doing. A lot of people say I don't, but I do. Damn. These aren't breaking like I want them to break. Usually I like when they just crack and then you can pull out the meat, but it ain't working for me like that today. Damn! Ooh. Lobster, I've tried lobster and I'm not a big fan of it. It's too gamey for me. Like, the texture is really weird. Crab, I love, so I'll eat the crab. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Ho, 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 ho. You guys, this crab is so good. Ah, see how it cracked? And then you can just pull out the meat. Bam. Just like that. Look at that. It's good. When I eat crab, it gives me a runny nose. Was that weird? I don't know if that's weird or not. Maybe it could be like the spices on it, but it could be. Look at all that meat. Just peel the hard shell around it. Like that. And then you get all this meat, you guys. Oh shit. I can literally eat crab every day. Bill hand. Oh, get that bone out. Bam. Nothing in there. Oh, that was good. Some shell. So yeah, I have the tickets now for wrestling. Excited, May 1st. WWE Raw. I'm stoked. I'm not gonna bring my camera though, because the website says they ban like lasers, like pointer lasers, and they ban video cameras. But my camera is a camera, but it also can record video, so I don't even want to risk that because I've never been to the new arena. If you guys have never heard of the Kings or the Sacramento Kings, well, the new arena was built, so it's the Golden One Arena. That's where we're going to be going. I've never been there. I don't know how parking is. So I'm just going to record with my phone, so the quality won't be as great as this camera, but it's going to have to do. Look at all that. That's inside the claw. Oh shit. Let me just scoop it all out. Look at all this meat. So good. You guys wish you had crab, huh? I asked Nick if he wanted to do the mukbang with me, but he says he's not craving crab, so maybe he'll do one next time. It probably won't be the crab, but it'll probably be another mukbang or so. I'm telling you guys, sometimes this is... Ooh, yeah. Can you guys see the Old Bay seasoning? I'm telling you, man. At Joe's Crab Shack, they have the Cajun boil. Oh, man. It's my favorite. It was my favorite. The juice is so good. I've only had one so far that, well, still came out. Nothing in there. I say this because so much hate. Maybe I shouldn't have posted that video, but it's helping me get money, so all the hate is away. Oh, I'll hit you in the face if you don't be careful. Favorite part, like a crab lollipop. I wonder if that's what they call them. So like I said, snap, crackle, pop. Oh. Ooh. Look at this. All that meat. You know, before I used to like the butter and stuff. Lately I haven't been craving the butter. Whoa, this came out perfect. Now that, look at all that meat. Oh, fuck. Look at all this meat. Oops. Oops. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call it done. I'll probably save this for Nikki. These little body things. So yeah, you guys, there you have it. I know how to eat crab. I know where to crack them. I know where to get all the meat from. So for those of you who hate, you guys can kiss my... If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, favorite, share with your friends and family for more content. Don't forget to hit that bell notification by her name, Martinikki. And let us know down below what you guys want to see us do. More mukbangs. If you guys have an idea for a challenge, let us know. We'll see if we can do it. And don't forget, don't be a lemon, don't be a rosebud. And let's start that again, because if you guys don't know what I talk about when I say that, don't be a lemon, just don't be grumpy, don't be sour, and be a rosebud. Like, be happy, be joyful, be happy that you're alive, happy that, you know, things are going your way. So, like I said, don't be a lemon, be a rosebud. Peace.